Welcome you all to the video lecture on 8051 microcontroller. So today the topic is write a program to find 2's complement using 8051. So it is actually a very simple program. So what we need to find out? So it is a 2's complement. So for 2's complement, first we need to make 1's complement of a number, and then we have to add that with the value 1, so that we can easily get 2's complement of a number. So they didn't given what number we have to take, so it is our wish, we can take easily any of the value. So we know that usually for easy accessing we will consider the register named accumulator. So let us consider accumulator, and we are moving the value whichever. For that we need to find out 2's complement. So I am going to move the value 0 to H. H denotes hexadecimal, and it is your wish that you can consider any value. So they didn't mention what value, for what value you have to find out 2's complement. It is your wish, you can move any data to the accumulator. Okay. So what this instruction will do, it is nothing but a data transfer instruction. It moves immediate data 02 to the accumulator. So after this instruction execution, accumulator will have the value 02H. Okay, and then now, so the data has been moved. For this data I have to find out 1's complement, and then for 8051 instruction we have one instruction called CPL. CPL is nothing but complement, 1's complement. It will do 1's complement of that particular value. So complement A. So you are complementing the value which is available in the accumulator. So what this instruction, second instruction, will do? So first of all, this hexadecimal value you can write in the binary as, for 0 you can write 4 zeros, for 2 you can write it as 0010. So this is nothing but your A value. For this, after execution of this instruction, your microprocessor will find out the 1's complement, that is, replace your 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. So this is nothing but 1's complement of a number. So this value now it will be loaded into the accumulator. So after that, already we have seen that after finding the 1's complement we need to add with 1. Okay, so either we can go for addition instruction, or we have another instruction, namely INC. It just increment that value by 1. So increment A. So if it is more than 1, then we can use addition operation. Here it is very simple, we are just incrementing, we are adding only one value, so we can use increment operation, increment A. So what it will do, it will add with 1. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0 1, and here it is 1. Other values it will be there as it is. So this I know it is F, and this is nothing but E. So the 2's complement of 02 is nothing but FE. After the third instruction, finally my A will have FEH. So if you execute this instruction in the 8051 microcontroller kit, you can see that accumulator value will be FEH after the 3 instruction. So after the first instruction, A will be having 02. After the execution of the second instruction, A will be changed to this number. What is this? F. This value is nothing but a D, right? So after the second instruction, FD, A will be FD. After the execution of third instruction, A value will become FE. This is nothing but 2's complement of 02 that will be moved to accumulator. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.